Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Winnie Khumalo takes to Instagram that her daughter Rethabile Khumalo is currently fighting for her life. She posted this picture and captioned it, "So I thought I will keep quiet until my daughter is okay. She is fighting for her life. She has been poisoned by a so-called friend." She continues to caption the actual picture that you posted and says it has been 6 days now in hospital. So I decided it's only fair to share with her supporters these sad news. They did 3 operations on her already. We are hoping that Rethabile will soon recover, but at the moment, akukho okuhle. She has been on and off. When you pray, please include her in your prayers. Ubunzima bokuba umzali. Yo, you guys, when I saw this, my heart was so painful, considering the fact that the mother, Uwini, is basically saying that her daughter was allegedly, I don't know whether I want to say allegedly because the mother's not saying that, but poisoned by her own friend. And Rethabile is currently in hospital fighting for her life. And her mother says it doesn't look good. And her mother says there has been 3 operations done already, you guys. This is such a painful thing. We are really hoping and wishing ukuthi Rethabile gets well soon. Yeah, you guys, and please, guys, be careful out there because sometimes you think people are wishing you the best, and the very same people that you think are wishing you the best are the very same people that really want your life and really are not happy for you guys. So yeah, guys, please do keep Rethabile in your prayers. When you remember to, please, even right now, in case you might forget, please just utter out a prayer to her that may God keep her, may she come out of this whole situation victorious. And please do send your well wishes in the comment section down below. Please tell me, what are your thoughts around this, friends? Because I mean, this is a common thing, you guys. This is nothing new of hearing about friends poisoning their own friends and close friends, that is. Yeah, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.